Do your hands tingle at night when resting? Do your legs feel weak climbing the stairs? Do your knees ache for no clear reason? Even if doctors say, nothing seems wrong, you still battle stiffness, pain, or strange weakness. Keep watching closely. This may surprise you. What I'm about to share can truly help. It may help you say goodbye to pain. Here's the hidden truth. These problems aren't aging. They often mean your body is low on collagen. Collagen cushions joints, supports nerves, builds muscle. After age 50, collagen drops very fast, but you don't need expensive supplements at all. Nature provides 8 powerful collagen vegetables. They help rebuild collagen and restore joint strength. Spinach, the collagen starter. Rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C triggers collagen, while magnesium supports nerves. Beta-carotene shields collagen from damage and breakdown. Eat raw in salads or sautéed with oil. Pair with eggs or lean protein for results. Broccoli, the joint protector. It holds sulforaphane, C, K. Sulforaphane cuts inflammation. Vitamins strengthen bone health. Calcium in broccoli keeps bones firm and steady. Steam lightly. Don't overcook. Preserve those key nutrients. Kale, the collagen toolkit. It's loaded with C, K, manganese, and copper, also aid bone and skin. Massage raw kale with lemon juice to soften fibers and increase nutrient absorption. Red and yellow bell peppers, vitamin C powerhouse. They pack more vitamin C than even oranges. This protects collagen fibers, cartilage, and circulation too. Enjoy raw or cook lightly with healthy fats. Mushrooms, the collagen catalyst. Shiitake, oyster, or button. They're high in copper, which repairs connective tissue. They also protect nerves, great in soups, stir-fries. Asparagus, the circulation booster. It has glutathione, vitamin K. They neutralize free radicals, boost joint nutrient delivery. Lightly steam or grill with olive oil drizzle. Carrots, the collagen protector. Rich in beta-carotene vitamin A. This regulates collagen production, protects fibers from breakdown. Eat carrots raw in salads or juiced fresh. Pair with healthy fats to boost vitamin absorption. Seaweed, the mineral treasure. It holds copper, zinc, manganese. These minerals activate enzymes for collagen fiber building. It supports nerve health and reduces inflammation naturally. Sprinkle dried seaweed on soups, salads, or smoothies. These 8 vegetables, spinach, broccoli, kale, peppers, mushrooms, asparagus, carrots, seaweed, they can truly help. They rebuild collagen naturally, support joints and nerves. Add them gradually daily. Notice your strength returning. Feel reduced tingling, better flexibility, stronger legs. Share this with friends, family, or loved ones, and subscribe for more science-based senior health tips. Stay strong, stay healthy, and move pain-free. Subscribe now. More easy, life-changing tips for everyone. Thank you.